Aryan Khan and others have been sent to police custody till 4th of October. Breaking news coming in. And then police custody till tomorrow. That's 1 day custody that has been granted, and thereafter he would once again be produced before the court. So 1 day custody for the Narcotics Control Bureau granted to Aryan Khan and 2 others. That's Arbaz and Munmun. Both have also been sent into NCB custody. That's the NCB custody till 4th of October, which is also known as the police custody here, at least till tomorrow. 2 days is what the NCB had demanded, or rather had requested the court to grant, but the court has now sent Aryan Khan to NCB's custody till 4th of October. That's till tomorrow. He would be produced once again. So only tonight that the NCB, yes sir, only tonight is when the NCB will have the opportunity to carry out with a joint interrogation along with Aryan Khan, Arbaz merchant and the drug peddlers who have been taken into custody. That's the big breaking news coming in. We are getting in more updates right now from Killa Court, but let's stay with the breaking news. First to On Republic, we're getting in details of what's happened inside the court. Aryan Khan, son of Shah Rukh Khan, has now been sent into custody, the NCB custody, and that is till tomorrow. That is till tomorrow is what we are being told. More details to come in. Yes, sir. Satish Manishande also says that he will be tendering the bail application tomorrow. So the bail application will be filed tomorrow once the police custody, or rather the NCB custody, comes to an end tomorrow. That's when the bail application. So today, Aryan Khan will have to spend the night at the NCB, the custody of the NCB. 1 day custody that has been given to Aryan Khan. That's an important update. Remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau said that custodial interrogation becomes extremely important in this case because preliminary investigation essentially indicates that there is a link with the supply chain here. And not just that, Aryan Khan has been booked for consumption as well as procuring of banned substances. That's the main charge that has been leveled against Aryan Khan. He has already been booked for that. And the NCB says there is a need, there is an urgent need for the custodial interrogation. Take us through more details, Yesha.